Let's see how we can use the website Fraze.it to explore new words. Let's say I want to know everything about the word affirmation. So I've come here and I've looked it up. The first thing I see is sentences that contain this word. All these sentences come from different newspapers. Sentences is not the only thing that we can find here, but also word definitions, synonyms, translation, pronunciation, and images. But before we go to these categories, let's take a look at these filters here. You can filter these sentences by source. For instance, let's click daily use. Here we go. By form, I want to see just interrogative sentences. There we are, only interrogative sentences. By tense, I want to see sentences with present perfect continuous. And there we have them. By rule, well, here we can see sentences that start with the target word or end with the target word. Zone, US, UK, and context. Well, this is really fascinating. I want to read some sentences that come from the topic of relationship. Okay, and there we have a lot of them. Style. Okay, used a lot. So let's go to definitions. Well, that's like a dictionary entry. And then synonyms, obviously. Translation. Here we can get only a basic translation. Pictures and videos where
hard to
this
always
word
find
was
an
used.
affirmation of African features.
Themselves when they were doing this positive affirmation stuff, like I'm a lovable person.
Like my love language is words of affirmation first, and I think
I'm sure you will enjoy it. Go here and check it out.